Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDRL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. The first level of support, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of, down here at, let's see, what was that? The $2.50 mark is where the bleeding finally stopped today. I mean, the opening portion of the day started off very rough. I mean, it went just down and down and down. And then the price finally did find some buyers right there. And then later on in the afternoon, the price did, roll back over. But once again, at that same exact spot, buyers showed back up there at $2.50. So in the near term, $2.50, definitely a very, very important level that you would want to see hold up as support. In the event that level does not hold up as support, then the next key overarching level of support at that point would be down there at $2.40. So $2.50, definitely that preferable level of support. But like I said, if that level can't quite hold up, then you would want to turn your attention to the $2.40 mark. And while there is no such thing as a guarantee, so I can't sit. Nobody can say that if $2.50 is broken, then the price is for sure going to go down to $2.40. But it wouldn't be very shocking at all to see the price drift down and at least retest $2.40, if not go lower. Now on the flip side of things, because to be fair, the price has made a nice little move upwards here. But if this move continues, where are some of these key levels of resistance at? And the big one going forward right now is going to be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, and that is currently valued at $2.82. And this is just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below. So going into today, that 200 period moving average was considered a level of support, but now that the price is down below it, that would be considered, the near term level of resistance. So if there is any sort of, like I said, bigger bounce, keep a close eye on that 282 mark, as that is the next level of resistance. So overall, yeah, rough day, but good to see that the price was able to level out there at $2.50. So we'll see if this can lead to some sort of continued bounce or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.